race number 13 on the water. In lane number 1, we have Ryerson. This is the University Division. In lane number 2, Waterloo Warriors 1. In lane number 3, Waterloo Warriors 2. Lane number 4, UFTU College. Again, race 13, University Division.
Race 13.
Coming down the race course, in first place is going to be Waterloo Warriors number 1. In second, it will be the Waterloo Warriors 2. In third, UFTU College. In fourth, Ryerson. As they come down the race course, it's going to be a fight between UFTU College and the Waterloo Warriors 1 team, which is in lane number 2. Its third place will be Waterloo Warriors 2 in lane number 3. And in fourth, Ryerson. Coming to the 300-meter mark, it's going to be Waterloo Warriors 1 in first. In second, UFTU College. In third, Waterloo Warriors 2 in lane number 3. So getting confused with these numbers. And in fourth, Ryerson. Coming to the finish line, this is going to be a close finish between lanes 2 and lane 4. Waterloo Warrior 1 and UFTU College. And check this out, Ryerson is going to try to catch Waterloo Warriors 2. Coming to the finish line, it's going to be a finish. I'm waiting for the results on this one. It looks like it's going to be Waterloo Warriors 1 unofficially. In second, UFTU
That's it, that's it.
Third,